Hey everyone, want to create a public link in Mega? In this video, I'll show you how to create a public sharing link step by step. Yeah, this is useful when you want to share files or folders with people who don't have a Mega account. First, open your web browser or the Mega desktop app and sign in to your Mega account. Make sure you're using the correct account before creating a public link. Next, go to your Mega Cloud Storage and find the file or folder you want to share. Organizing your content into folders makes it easier to locate the item you need. Once you find the file or folder, right-click it or open the Options menu. Then select the Get Link option to create a shareable public link. Mega will generate a unique link for your selected file or folder. Depending on your settings, you may have options to include a decryption key with the link for access. Now copy the generated link and share it with anyone you want to give access to. Recipients can open the link and access the shared content without needing to browse through your account. Before sharing, review your link settings and make sure you're comfortable with the level of access. So, avoid creating public links for sensitive files unless necessary. If you want to stop sharing the file later, return to the sharing options and remove or disable the public link. This will prevent others from accessing the shared content. You can also create separate links for different files or folders to keep your shared content organized, and that's how you create a public link in Mega. With this feature, you can quickly share files and folders with others while keeping control over your cloud storage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy technology guides.